Hey, what's up everybody, V here. So today we're going to be taking a look at these here. Yeah, Sony WH-1000xm4s. Had a lot of good things about these. We are going to be taking a look at these a little later on, a couple of weeks or so. I'm going to spend some time with them and give you my thoughts. I'll be right back. Hey, what's up guys? So here we are, Sony WH-1000xm4s, industry leading noise cancellation. Let me tell you, I went into Best Buy just to check these out because I saw a lot of people doing videos on them. It's like, I gotta try those. I put them on and I was amazed. It is incredible, the noise cancellation on these. So this is wireless, 360 reality audio. And what we got here, looks like we got some touch controls here. Now I'm going to be doing more of a deep dive later on. This is just my unboxing and first impressions pretty much. So it has the hands-free calling, voice assistance function. Let's see, USB Type-C, which is always good. Comes with headphone cables, plug it up. Anyway, we'll get into that once we see it. So let's get into it. Let's see here. Oh, nice packaging. Of course, Sony. Sony's always doing it right, though, in any of their products. Here we go. Let's see how we get this open here. Slide that out. Put that over here. What we got here? Easy setup. That's what I like to hear. So it has an app and everything. And again, I'll be going over all that later on. Oh, look at this. And all your books and all that. So we'll be looking at that later, definitely. Let's check this out. Check that case out, guys. Wow. Little brass Sony branding. Take a look at them. Man. Cables here. We got in here. What's all this, Sony? I'll check that out. Okay, let's set this to the side for a second here. So I got a little adapter here, and we have the charger. Is USB Type-C. Set the case over here. Let's look at them. Oh yeah, got some good flex. Got a big head, so we need that. Ear cups, cushy. Again with the brass, little Sony branding, right left marking. Wow. They're just amazing looking. It's like the proximity sensor dual when you have your on your ear and off. There you go. Sony 1000xm4s. So again, I'm going to be doing a deep dive, more of a deep dive in this. I don't get too technical in my videos because I don't know what I'm talking about a lot of the time with this. I know how they sound. I mean, I know sound and I know when it sounds good to me. So that's what you will be getting. So again, Sony 1000xm4s. This is V. I'm out.